In this video, we're going to look at a market pulse indicator, which is very useful to identify the trend of the stock and also to see where the other markets are lying, right? So, for example, here we are entering a stock called Citibank. So now you can see the trend is decelerating. So you can see that here under date time frame. So let's go to say weekly time frame. Okay, weekly time frame also market is trending down. Okay, so one more thing also you can see on the particular time frame what are indexes doing. So for example, XLF is a index for banks, so XLF is green. Okay, so you can also see, because you want to basically trade with the trend, right, of the index or the overall market. You don't want to be trending, you don't want to be trading against the market, right? So let's look at one more stock. Let's look at Microsoft MSFT. So let's go to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so market is in accumulation. Basically it's here. You can see that the line is changing, and you can also see the other indexes in the particular time frame. Okay, so so this will help you identify the general trend of the stock, plus also trend of the other broader indexes. So you can basically be cautious when you want to go against the trend or with the trend, right? So you typically want to go with the trend. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe and comment. If you have any questions, please comment. We also have a free scanner for trending CPR, ascending and descending, and also narrow CPR. Thank you for watching the video.